How to write a review in Best Buy app. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Best Buy application on your device. Make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in order to write a review, tap on the product that you want to write a review in and scroll down until you see the See All Review or Write a Review tab. Tap on the Write a Review option. You will now be asked to give the product overall rating. So go ahead and rate the product depending on your experience and further enter the title and then give your review. Once done, tap on the Continue button. You will then be asked to rate the product according to their quality, value, and ease of use. So go ahead and rate the product and tap on Continue again. In the next page, you will be asked if you would recommend the product to a friend. So tap on Yes if yes and tap on No if no. And now, you can also add photos, but that is totally optional. Once done, tap on the Complete Review option, and with this, your review will be shared. So, this is how you can write a review in Best Buy app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.